I'm Jeff with XDP, and today we're here with Manfred from Longhorn Fab Shop. We're going to talk about the Longhorn Fab traction bar bracket kits. Manfred, tell us a bit about what we have here.
Yeah, so here we have our traction bar kits. It is for people that are wanting to build their own bars. They might already have bars for the truck. They just don't want to spend the time to make all the brackets. That's where a lot of the time gets consumed if you're trying to build your own custom kit. This allows guys to do custom configurations, custom placement, custom bars. The only thing it requires is that the rod end is 1 3/4 in width and a 3/4 inch through bolt, and these bolt right up. You drill 6 holes in the frame. If you don't want to drill the holes, it's a full custom, you could weld these brackets on and get them right on the truck. So easy install, really shortens up the time for someone that wants a custom application.
So Manfred, how do these install on my truck?
Yeah, so on the GM, Ford, and Dodges that have the U-bolts going down, where the nuts are on the bottom of the axle, these right here, you're just going to take the nuts off the U-bolts, leave the axle plate on, you slide these over the axle plate, it reinforces everything, you put the U-bolt nuts back on. For the frames, you find if you're going to be doing a custom length traction bar and building them yourself, you put these wherever is easiest for you to bolt them on or weld them. You drill either 6 holes or you weld them on, and then you measure from the back bracket to the front bracket, and that's how you get your custom traction bar length.
So that wraps it up for the Longhorn Fab Shop traction bar bracket kit. We'd like to thank Manfred for coming in today, and to find out more about this product for your truck or to find more Longhorn Fab Shop products, check out xdp.com.